Hello YouTube, it's me again. It's me just making a few quick videos and freezing my ass off in here. I didn't pick up a piece of aluminum. I bought a piece of basically a used Mitutoyo height gauge. The bottom looks like shit, but I'm gonna clean it off. I bought it because it's like, look, see, make lines, perfect. If you can see that. I bought it because I want to make something on my milling machine, and I realized that I don't have a surface plate for this, so it's going to be perfect. But if I want to make accurate lines, see, basically it's a really good tool. Plus I can, well, it's got fuzzy shit on it here. There we go. If I put it down here, I can measure how, you know, watch the Machinist videos. They know what they're doing. They're more professional than me. I got it cheap. Instead of buying one for 400 bucks that's digital online, I bought a non-digital one, which is good enough for me. It's got 6 inches. It's fine. I'm not gonna be milling 8-inch blocks of steel. It's got a little bit of dirt on it. It's got a little crust. It was cheap. It was the only one I could find for under 40 bucks. And it appears to do okay. It doesn't look like it's broken or wrecked or whatever, so yeah, I don't know. It could be, for all I know. That's the little stop for it. It appears like it's working okay. And it's does the job. See, it's got the little carbide thing on here. There's little carbide pieces. It's got mostly dirty, really. But I mean, it's a good little tool. I'll use it for a couple things. I'm not a machinist. I'm an amateur hack, and I just like the fact that I can now make straight lines. This bench is pretty straight for what I do. It's by no means like 2/1000ths of an inch accurate. It's just flat, basically. Like, you can put a ruler on, it's pretty flat. It had a bow in it somewhere, but oh well. Anyway, that's what I got for. I'm still waiting to buy a waiting for somebody to sell me a Kurt Weiss real cheap. I gotta figure that out, and until then my milling machine is in limbo right now. So thanks for watching, and keep watching. I got more videos coming.